Soaring Eagle OVX. This one's a 5.0. Just put my deposit in on a 5.5 for the Tundra. Very excited. This was made by the same guys that did Livin Light campers, the Quicksilvers, all aluminum, nothing to rot, nothing to worry about. Got a little space in here. Can't really see them. There's some bench seating on the side that rests on top of the cab. Side and front window. Not sure everything that's in this one. We did the two fans, the solar, the boards. Fog lights in the back that this one does not have. There's an awning. Panel on the side. And jacks are removable and it's sitting on the truck. Should be a fun time.